The movement of the scapula or shoulder blades is protraction, where the shoulder blades move away from the spine, retraction, where the shoulder blades move towards the spine, elevation, where the shoulder blades move up as you shrug, and depression, where the shoulder blades move down. To begin your scapular cars, irradiate through your body, squeezing your arms to your side. Shrug your shoulders up towards your ears, then bring your shoulders forward, but maintain your hand position by your side. Then drop the shoulders down, and then pull the shoulders back into retraction. Do 2 to 3 rounds of this with control, and then reverse the direction.